welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel Banks and I plan to bring you beauty to beauty, guys. I am so excited today because I went out to Target yesterday in Glenview, Illinois, by my sister-in-law's house. And I found some beautiful decor. So I do plan to go back to do like a little haul from there. I was telling my husband just how excited I was in that store. It was so freaking nice. Like, it was a huge Target. First of all, it was almost like a mall, how big it was. Like, it was a huge Target, in my opinion. And they had tons of options. Now, I'm scared when I go back, it's not going to be tons and tons of options. You know how it's just that you went in when they got all of their shipment in or whatever. But I am going back just to check it out. But anyways, let me show you some flowers that I found at Target that I did pick up yesterday out in Glenview, Illinois. Okay, guys, so in one of my previous videos, when I had went shopping with my mom, it was like a Saturday vlog or whatever, I talked about some flowers that I had picked up from TJ Maxx that I threw in a vase in my dining room. I'm still waiting to get a table to sit my vase on. I haven't found that table that I'm like absolutely in love with that I want to sit my vase on. But I wanted to add these flowers that I got from Target in the vase with those other flowers. So I'm just going to walk you through how I styled this vase. Hopefully you all really enjoyed this video, so stay tuned.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong? Than
it turned out. I can't wait to get that table. I think once I get that table and sit it right there, it is just going to knock it out the park. It has, you know, brought in a few elements of color. I'm looking at it right now, like the pink, it's got a little bit of green, and it matches, but not being too matchy-matchy, the other decor that's throughout the house that I did film in that video. So make sure you check out my chit chat video from Saturday where I went shopping and I showed some of the pieces that I bought or whatever. But anyways, hopefully you all really enjoyed this video, and it gave you some inspiration on how you can maybe play with some faux flowers. I'm definitely going to add a few more faux flowers, especially to my front room, and I'll explain why in a different video. But hopefully you all really enjoyed this video. I know I had fun filming it because I love playing with decor. Make sure, if you have not done so already, subscribe to my channel, guys. Make sure you subscribe, like and share my videos. And then to all my existing subscribers, I appreciate your support. Thank you so very much, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.
Can we talk? Hey.